On the 8th day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
8 swing top bottle converters.
Happy STEADFest!
All right, you probably have no idea what this is. Basically, here's the thing. There's a lot of holidays out there, and every one of them excludes somebody. So we decided to make up a City Steading holiday that includes everybody. Everybody. Yeah, nobody's excluded from this. The only people excluded from this contest are us. Why? Because this is stuff we're giving away. I don't want to enter it and win.
Actually, you have to reside within the continental US.
The holiday is for everybody. The contest is for the continental US.
Yes, yes.
We are doing, for the next 8 days, the 8 days of STEADFest, we are giving away stuff, okay? 8 people are going to win one of these things. Okay, that's just today's entry. To enter, there's a link in the description below. You have 5 days to enter, and after the 5th day, we'll choose a winner. We're gonna make all the announcements, I think it's on December 20th?
20th.
December 20th, mark your calendars, that is STEADFest Day, and we're gonna announce all the winners of all the days. Let me back up and start again, just in case you didn't catch what we're doing here. 8 days of STEADFest. It's a holiday we totally made up, okay? Nobody get offended by it. It's just a thing.
We're giving stuff away.
And we have a bunch of stuff that we're giving away. The prizes get better every day. Today, we're giving away these. These are swing top bottle converters. You put them on the bottle and it turns it into a swing top, like any wine bottle or whiskey bottle, stuff like that. They're actually pretty cool. We have a bunch of them and we just decided let's give some of these away. They're all brand new, never been opened, never been used, so you know, it's all good. So go and enter and you get a chance to win one of these. But you must live in the continental US. There's legalities and stupid, crazy high shipping prices. But if you don't live there, I'm really sorry, but happy STEADFest to you anyway. And that's all we got for today, right?
But check out tomorrow because there'll be another giveaway.
Yes, that's right. For the next 8 days, we're gonna be doing this style of video, giving stuff away.